please click the subscribe button there and you will see a small bell icon next to it. Click it to get instant notification of my videos. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to Harsh Kriya channel. So today we are going to do something different. So what is it? I'm going to explain a geography chapter of class 9 to you. So this chapter I've seen my friends struggling to learn because it's very tough, and so I just decided, let me help them, let me help all of you there. So the chapter is the physical features of India. Wow, physical features of India, about our country. Okay, so it talks about the physical features of our country. And now before going into our country, let's move on to Mother Earth. So our Earth is made up of many plates called as the tectonic plates. So these tectonic plates go in, collide, this, everything. So first, let's start with these tectonic plates. So what are these tectonic plates? What is this? And what's the definition of this? So instead of doing that, we'll just go on to another side of it. Theory of plate tectonics. So it's called as the crust of the earth has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. Okay, so one more question over. Now a fact. Earthquakes, as you know, it's caused due to the movements of the tectonic plates. When the tectonic plates collide with each other or divide or disperse something. Okay, so now let's see. There are 3 types of movements of the tectonic plates. So how they move and so the first one is one moves up and the other one moves down. So there's a transform boundary created. We don't know what can happen. Anything can happen. It can go down, it can go up, anything can happen. So it's a transform boundary. So now let's go on to the second one. One moves to another side, another moves in opposite direction. Okay, so what happens here? There's a divergent boundary created. So there are diverge. Okay, so nothing is happening due to this, but the third one is the most important moment. So it is one moving to one side and another moving just opposite to it. So it's a convergent boundary created. So what happens due to this convergent boundary? These convergent plates creates mountains. How? When the 2 plates come, it collide with each other. Example, the Himalayas were formed in this way. Okay, so now one more deep question. How did the Himalayas form? They are told as a young mountain, right? So how are they created? So let us take. So it's very old. It's in the Pangaea, Gondwana land, Indo-Australian plate. It got cut and it came to the Eurasian plate, and when it collided, and lo, our Himalayas was formed. So now let's go more deep into it. So that's our first physiographic feature of India, the Himalayas. So Himalayas ranges from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, pretty long distance, right? Now I'll tell you the distance. Don't get surprised. It's approximately 2,400 kilometers. There are many rivers flowing through the Himalayas, like the Ganga, Indus, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, etc. So now, Himalayas, based on the longitude, you know what is the longitude, and north to south. Based on that, they are divided into 3 types. So what are those types? Himadri, Himachal, and Shivaliks. Okay, so what is this Himadri, Himachal, and Shivaliks? Let us look at them individually. So first is Himadri. So Himadri is the northernmost range of the Himalayas, also known as the Great or Inner Himalayas. Average height is 6,000 meters and it's made up of granite stones. Example are Mount Everest, Mount K2, etc. So there are big mountains. So now let's go on to the next one, Himachal. So Himachal is known as the Lesser Himalayas. Average height is around 3,700 to 4,500 meters. Example Valley of Kashmir, Kulu, etc. So a smaller mountain, a little bit smaller mountain, and that's why it has many valleys and etc. So let's move on to the third one, Shivaliks. Good name, right? So what is Shivaliks? Shivaliks is the outermost range of the Himalayas. Okay, so its average height is about 900 to 1,100 meters. So it's made up of alluvium soil, and there are many dunes here: Dehradun, Patli Dun, Kotli Dun, etc. So there are very small mountains, very small mountains compared to the both which we told about. It's very small. So okay, longitudinally we have seen. Now latitudinally, west to east. So latitudinally it's divided to 4 types. So you might be thinking, okay, how are they divided? They are divided in the base of the rivers: Punjab Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, Nepal Himalayas, and Assam Himalayas. So now let's look at them and feature and visualize them. So Punjab Himalayas. So what is Punjab Himalayas? So they are between the rivers Indus and Satluj. So now let's take an India map and now let's visualize it. So here is where the Punjab Himalayas are located. Now Kumaon Himalayas. So Kumaon Himalayas ranges between the rivers the Satluj and the river Kali. Nice name. So let's visualize it too. Next is the Nepal Himalayas. So with the name you can understand where it comes, Nepal. So but still we will visualize it between the river Kali and Tista. Okay, so Tista, it's a very nice name, right? Now Assam Himalayas, same, you might know the name. So between the river Tista and Dihang, are these both names of rivers? But it's geography, we need to read it. So now extra information. So there is a smaller part of the Himalayas called as a Purvanchal. So they are below Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so it's the last part of the Himalayas. So it's called as a Purvanchal. So now it's a lot of Himalayas. So now let's move on to the other physiographic feature. So what is the next one? So north, now come little bit down. You'll find the Indian desert. The Indian desert is none other than the Thar desert. It lies in the West India, that is Rajasthan, receives very less rainfall, extreme climate, vegetation is not possible, only one river called as Luni. So that's all about the desert. Now let's go on to the northern plain. So look at it in the map. So just after the Himalayas is the northern plain. So they tell that it's formed by the 3 rivers, Ganga, Indus and the Brahmaputra. So they are 2,400 km long and 240 km broad. So now they are divided into 4 parts broadly. So now what are those 4 parts? First is Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. So let's visualize them individually, not visualize them. Just let's see. So 6 to 12 kilometers broad, Bhabar, and it just comes after Shivaliks. And there are many pebbles, there are very very cool rocks you can find there. So there are many types of rocks, and now let's move to the other one, Terai. So Terai is very marshy land. As the rivers cut and go inside it goes inside and it re-emerges in Terai, and they are very thickly forested. So now let's go to the another one, Bhangar. So Bhangar is the most largest belt out of these 4. They are made up of alluvium soil. They are made up of conchers or calcareous rocks rich in calcium, and they are present there. So it's a bit typical land. Now next let's move on to the Khadar. So Khadar is very easy. It's very fertile soil. It has very fertile soil and it has very good agriculture. So the last belt, absolutely the last belt. So rice crop, so agricultural land. Now let's move on to the other one, Peninsular Plateau. We have heard this, right? So let's look more about this. So it is one of the most oldest features in India. Peninsula means 3 sides water, plateau means tabletop land, divided into 2 parts, Central Island and Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is in the south, Central is in the center. So Central Highlands are divided into 2, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. So Chota Nagpur Plateau is comparatively less than Malwa Plateau. So this is about it. So now let's move on to the coastal plains. So what are the coastal plains? There are 2 coastal plains, right? So there are eastern and western coastal plains. So western coastal plain is continuous, whereas the eastern coastal plain is discontinuous as rivers flow. Western coast are divided into 3 types: Konkan coast, it's from Goa and Mumbai; Kannada coast, Karnataka; Malabar coast, Kerala. Eastern coast is divided into two types: Northern Sarkar, North; Coromandel coast, South. So let's just visualize it. Where does it come? So let's see where does it come. So it comes in the south, mostly in the south. Okay. So now let's go the islands. Wow, the relaxing spot, right? Many of you have been there, I guess. So Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands. So now let's go to the Lakshadweep. So Lakshadweep Islands are 32 square kilometers, smaller in size, and capital is Kavaratti. Now let's move on to Andaman and Nicobar. So Andaman Nicobar Islands, 8,250 square kilometer capital is Port Blair, and it has an enormous volcano which blasts every 40 years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.